Hey guys, it's SAT Maxing here. Today we're going to be looking into mean, median, and mode. Okay, now these are three extremely important functions to know. We'll also be looking into range, so four really. They're pretty simple to remember and understand, but the issue with it is a lot of students spend way too much time on it. So we'll be looking into strategies on how to minimize the amount of time we use and how to use this into desmos, right? Now that's the good part. But let's start with just understanding the bare minimum. So let's start with mode. Now, mode is going to be your most frequent number, right? So mode, most frequent. Now, in this question here, we don't really need to use desmos or anything. We just need to read the question. So, members of the school band sold tickets to an upcoming concert. 8 students sold 12 tickets each. 14 students sold 20 tickets each. 10 students sold 25 tickets each. And 5 students sold 50 tickets each. What is the mode of this distribution? So the mode is essentially which number is coming up the most, right? So 8 students sold 12. So it would be 12, 12, 12, dot, 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 until like 8 times. 14 sold 20 tickets each. So it'd be 20, 20, 20, all the way up to 14, and so on, right? Same thing would happen with the 25 tickets and the 50 tickets. Now, 20 would show up the most because the most amount of students sold that amount of tickets. Therefore, C would be our answer. Now, how do I do mode on Desmos? Like, say I don't even know what this means, right? Now, let me show you the trick. So, we're going to create a data table here, and we're going to name it, let's see, not D, let's name it X, okay? We're going to say X is equal, or no, not even X, let's say Z. Z is equal to 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6. What we're going to do is we're going to create a dot plot. Literally just type dot plot Z. Right here, we can see which number shows up the most, and that's going to be 4. Now we can obviously tell by the data here, but let's just say you don't know what mode is. You just list out every single number given to you and do that. Okay, so that is how you find mode. Now let's look into something a little more difficult, right? So let's go here. Okay, median. So what is median? Median is equal, well, not equal, but median is essentially your middle number. Now I'm gonna put that in quotation marks because you'll see. Right. So here we're given 6 values. I'm gonna just use an example before we even get into that. So let's say we have numbers 1, 2, and 3. What is our middle? 2. Now obviously the middle number between all of them would be like 1.5, right? But essentially on the odd numbers, we're just gonna take um like the number right in between. Like let's say we have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is gonna be our median, right? And uh, and if we have an even amount of numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, you take the second and third terms, add them, and divide them by 2. So our median here would be 2.5. So let's take a look at this question here. We are given these 6 terms, and we're told to find median number of songs. Now that we understand what median is, I'm not going to really try to waste my time here, right? We're just going to go quick. So we're just going to go right here. Let's close this out. We're going to go to median. This is an actual function, by the way. Yeah, 5, 2, 9, 12, 21, and 3. Okay. Boom, 7. That is how easy Desmos makes your life. So 7 songs. That is your answer right there. Now, let's take a look at average. So average is essentially, whenever you see average in regards to numbers like this, it's going to be meaning mean. Okay, mean is essentially your average. So we're given 3 numbers here, 6 plus 19 plus x, and we're saying our average of 1019. Before we get into something a little more complex like that, let's just take a look at how to calculate mean. So we're given the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We're going to add all of the terms we're given and divide by the amount of terms there. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and we have 3 terms, so 2 is going to be your mean. Okay, Now, say you're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 9 plus 6, 15. You're going to do 15 divided by 5. And that is 3. So 3 would be your mean. But here, we're given something a little more weird, right? We're given 6 plus 19 plus x is equal to 19, the mean. But just take a look at it this way. 6 plus 19 plus x over 3 is equal to 19. Why? Because we are given 3 terms and the mean of that is 19. Meaning we have to add all of our terms and divide that by 3. So I'm actually not even going to do this algebraically. 6 plus 19 plus x, put that in parentheses real quick, divide by 3 is equal to 19. If we take a look right here, 32 is going to be your answer for x. And therefore D is your answer. That's simple. Now, there is also the mean function in itself. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5.5. It's that simple. So you are given your mean and your median functions. And for mode, you're going to use your data plots, right? Now, let's actually use our data plot for something else here. So let's say A instead this time. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. So now we're just going to do dot plot and put in our 8. Now let's go back here. Now, how do you find range, right? Your range is essentially your biggest number minus your smallest number. So we see our biggest numbers are 8 and our smallest number is 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7. You don't really need a dot plot for that either, but that's just another way to visualize it, right? Now remember, your mean and your median are always going to just be literal functions. Okay, so this is how you do mean, median, mode, and range on Desmos. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.